Alright, y'all. Boy got a new crib. Give y'all a little tour. I've been living.
That's why I meant to be in front of the camera.
Stop, bro.
I'm not doing. I'm gonna laugh because you're here.
Anyways, y'all, I've been living for like almost a month now. Feel me? So I was like, you know what? I might as well just give him like a little. I can't look at you, bro. I look at you and laugh, nigga. I've been here almost a month. You feel me? So like I got like most of my stuff. I gotta get some new stuff, but I'm gonna do like an updated crib tour after I do this video. So this is just gonna be like an introduction to the crib because I might be here for a little minute. But we in the garage right now. I'm about to show y'all the crib. As y'all can see, it's really not much in the garage. I got a little bit of shit. I got the whip and everything, but yeah, really not nothing. But we about to go inside, go check the crib out. And yeah, that's it. We might as well get started. So, okay, so. You can. Why the fuck you have it to the wall, nigga?
Making sure you don't get that door.
You good, bro. Bitch ain't that wide. Anyway, first floor. Feel me? You got 3 stories to go through, so we at the first floor right now. Put your shoes away. Feel me? Gotta keep your sneaks there. First floor, all we got is one of the bathrooms. Cool little guest bathroom. Anybody that come inside, one of the homies want to shower or whatever. Feel me? Got this bathroom. Damn.
What was that, bro?
Anyways, so we got the first room right here. It's kind of like my little office. I got fix like some shit. I just put my clothes in there, put a whole bunch of racks and shit. It's a lot of inventory in here, but I want to fix it up to like it's. I don't know. I might be streaming in this room. I don't know yet, but I had to get a table, chairs, and all that. Make this shit look nice. I'm gonna show y'all. Matter of fact, let's go over here. My job. It is a little dirty. Feel me? It's definitely a little dirty in here, but oh yeah, I had to flip this around because they can't see this. But I got some samples on here. Y'all can see this flannel. This will probably be in my next video. Good flannel, summertime short sleeve. Feel me? I got orders I need to ship out today before I leave, so gotta do that. But red hoodies, order some more. T-shirts is gone though. Couple leather pants left, but that's really it. It's really not much in here. Got a whole bunch of old inventory and shit, extra sizes, and yeah, what I'm thinking is I think I'm just gonna set it up to where I have like the table right here. I need to clean all this extra stuff out, but the table gonna be right here. We gonna make this some type of like lit room, you feel me? Like put some lights in here, put some posters up. I got all my posters right here in this corner, so I might just put those up because I ain't put it up in my living room yet. So probably gonna do that for sure. Set this bitch up. Make it look nice, cool, whatever. But yeah, y'all, it's a little obvious. I'm hit, bro. You can't even record me that close, bro. You cannot be recording me that close. Anyway, so welcome to the crib, y'all. Welcome to the crib. Crazy view. I think this is like a total upgrade from the last crib. This is just perfect, you feel me? I ain't really need too much because again, I'm living dolo, so like, I don't have too much space, but great crib, you feel me? Got the kitchen, got the island in the middle, you know that's needed. Computer. Now this is where probably gonna start the streams at, for real. As y'all can see, this camera look insane, but I feel like this is like kind of a good spot to do the streams at if we don't do it downstairs. When I have like people around and shit like that, you know, y'all can see the back and everything, but if you seen this, we will be streaming real soon. We did some quick shit the other day, but I want to do like some real streams and stuff like that. So I'm going to be streaming when I get back from Miami, and I gotta upload more videos and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, we gonna be streaming real soon. Do some lit shit, you feel me? And I'm thinking about doing like the IRL streams too, cause like that would definitely. Kitchen, anyways, cabinets, you feel me? Snack cabinet if needed. All my chips, I got candy in the back. Whole bunch of shit that's needed. Whole bunch of more supplies and shit like that. Then we got the mirror, you feel me, the legendary mirror. Y'all see all my pictures in this damn mirror. Everybody take pictures in this mirror. I need to get another one of these for sure. I got one on that side, but great mirror right there. That's the essential. We gotta get, damn, my couch is disconnected. But I need to get a new couch, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I just bought this one, I think maybe 2 weeks ago. Just bought this one maybe 2 weeks ago. It's cool. It's like a cool little, you feel me, have a little bit more space, but cool little couch. I am still waiting on my coffee table. I bought that literally before I moved here, and it's still not here. It's been like 3 weeks, so I'm waiting on that. We gotta wait on that. Get the coffee table. Then I want to get another couch because this couch has obviously been through hell. So I'm gonna get another couch, and then I'm also gonna put I want to put a big ass painting on the wall, and maybe get some plants too. I definitely been thinking about that, so I think I'm gonna do that too. Get some plants in here. All right, y'all, real quick. Before I show y'all this next clip, y'all probably gonna be in the comments like, gang, how the hell did it go from daytime to nighttime in one video? But I ended up editing, in the middle of me editing this video, I realized that a camera setting was off that wasn't supposed to be on for the second half. So that kind of messed the video up, so I had to go back and re-record that video for y'all, so that I could finish editing it and upload it the same day. So, you feel me? I don't want to see it in the comments, you feel me? I just wanted to give y'all a quick little disclaimer real quick before we get to the second half. But anyways, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Let's finish this house tour the right way. You feel me? So, as we go upstairs, you feel me, leave the kitchen and living room. To the third floor, the final floor. We got one bedroom right here, one bedroom right here. This is the guest bedroom. Damn, I can't speak. This is the guest bedroom right here, another one. As y'all can see, I used the first one on the bottom floor. It's like my little office space. But this is going to be, y'all can walk in here right now. Y'all can see it's literally nothing in here. Mind y'all, I moved in a month ago. But I gotta get that new bed. This is gonna definitely be like second bedroom. I just got shit laid out right here. But it's gonna be like a little second bedroom for whenever like the homies need to stay the night or something like that. Feel me? Definitely gonna be a second room. Put a bed in here, TV, all that. We ain't gonna deck this out really too much, but feel me, it's gonna look all right. But it's a good amount of space for 3 bedrooms. You feel me? Crazy. Matter of fact, let me show you what's in here. Really not nothing but a shitload of just space. You feel me? Just space everywhere. Bed, TV, either wall, decorations. You feel me? We gonna do something, and then we got bathroom in here. You feel me? Really not much to see, but yeah, that's really it. And then we go up to over here. Obviously, washer and dryer is needed, essential. And I ain't gonna lie, when I moved in here, I did not know how to use this. Like, it's something new. I used to just have like the twist and turn where you could just had regular buttons, but this thing right here, like, you gotta, you feel me? Like, I ain't gonna lie, that shit's so fire. You feel me? Then all that, then like when you put your clothes in the dryer when it's done, it may be singing like a little song. I ain't never had nothing like that. You can add a little music to it. But, damn, we go. Drum roll, please. Boom. Get in here. This is master bedroom. Now, this is what it looks like for now. But this is what it looks like for now. Really nothing too crazy. I'm gonna deck it out real soon. I really just been trying to like get comfortable and shit like that. But this bed will be going to the other room. And I will be getting a new bed, put some art up, obviously. Make this shit look super P, you feel me? This shit gonna be hard. Give me about probably like 3 more vlogs and then I got y'all. Y'all gonna see the new crib and stuff like that. But this is just for now, you feel me? Bed, obviously. TV, PS5, which is essential. That was probably the first thing I plugged up as soon as I got in here. We got the P5, TV, lights on the TV. Don't mind the clothes that I need to put away. I've been putting that off for a little minute. But now, let's do the bathroom first. Let's do the bathroom. Bathroom, feel me? Pretty big, pretty spacious. Let me turn this light on right here. Bathroom. I'll take that for you, I got you. Go double sink, obviously. Then you got the private shitter. You feel me? If you want to take a shit, you gotta hide behind the wall. You feel me? Good little crib edition. Only for the bathroom. I ain't gonna lie. Double sink is obviously needed. Stand up shower. And yeah, that's it for the bathroom. Let's go to the closet, what I know a lot of y'all been waiting for. A lot of y'all want to see. All right, y'all. I know what y'all been waiting for. Y'all been dying to see the closet. Y'all will be getting a closet tour video for sure. I want to make sure that I go through like a whole bunch of stuff that are like my favorites. I need to do a cleanup and get rid of a lot of stuff because I do have a large amount of clothes. So I'm gonna do probably storage sales on my Instagram page. Make sure I go follow that. And we will be going through like a whole bunch of stuff that I buy, my recent pickups, and then just like my favorites. But anyways, let's go into the closet. Let's see what it look like. All right, y'all, this is the closet, you feel me? this is just it. I ain't gonna lie. And this isn't even everything that I have. Like, this is majority of my clothes, but I still got a lot of stuff that I need to put up in here. So I will be doing that video separately. But you feel me? This is the closet. You feel me? Whole bunch of good vintage t-shirts, a couple of clothing brands. You know what I'm saying? Vintage, a lot of vintage. I'm gonna save a lot of this stuff for my closet tour. But you feel me? This is the money makers right here. This is what y'all be seeing on Instagram. Now these shorts right here, we gonna talk about these shorts. These sold out when I dropped last week or 2 weeks ago, I think, in 13 minutes, which is incredibly insane. Like, I just couldn't believe it, you feel me? It was crazy. But I know a lot of y'all missed out. I got a lot of crazy texts and stuff like that. So I will be dropping again. I was aiming for June 21st, but I think I'm probably gonna end up doing the first week of July. So make sure y'all go follow the brand page so that y'all can get updates and stuff like that. But you feel me? Anybody who got or was able to even secure a pair of shorts, I know they love these shorts. I've been getting great messages. But yeah, these will be coming back out. Hopefully maybe July 4th, July 11th, my birthday. Who knows? We not sure yet. But you feel me? Those gonna be dropping soon. But yeah, I got a lot of good stuff, and like half of my pants aren't even hung up yet. So we're gonna say that for the closet tour. But as y'all can see, I got a lot of shoes and stuff. I just counted the other day. I probably got like 60-some pairs of shoes. So I need to get rid of a lot of stuff that I don't use. But a lot of shoes right here, and clothes that need to be hung up right here. So yeah, that's really it. We're gonna say that for the closet tour. If y'all want the closet tour, let me know. I would get that to y'all probably after the next 2 vlogs or whatever. But yeah, that's really it with the closet. But anyways, that is the crib tour. Short, simple little video, you know what I'm saying? But I need to get back to editing right now. I got a couple of vlogs for y'all in the vault that I'm about to put out. So we're looking forward to that. And drop day will be sometime next week on the 21st. Got 3 new items for y'all, so y'all make sure y'all tap into that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, that's really it. This is just a blessing. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, having this big ass crib to myself is just, it's crazy. You feel me? It's crazy. Crazy accomplishments. Obviously none of this would happen without y'all support. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm sorry if the energy is not the same. I really just didn't want to have to redo this video over again, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in with your boy. That's the end of the first crib tour, you feel me? The second one gonna be a lot better. It's gonna look a lot crazier here. Y'all just remember what this looks like for me so that y'all can compare when y'all see the new renovation, whatever it is. But anyways, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with your boy. It is your boy, Flipboy Casey, and